Hello my dear children. Welcome to today's maths class. Today we are going to learn skip counting. What do you mean by skip counting? Skip means leave. You leave few numbers and then you come on the next number. Now in skip counting we will learn counting in twos, counting in fives, counting in tens, counting in hundreds and counting in thousands. So, first of all, we will discuss counting in twos. Counting in twos. For that, we will take a number. The number is 5624. We have to find the next number using skip counting in twos. The one method is we simply add 2 to this number, then we can achieve the next number. Like this, 5624 plus 2. That is 4 plus 2, 6. Here 2 itself, here 6, 5. So we will get the number 5626. But this is a long procedure. So we will do this through a simple method. Let's consider its last two digits, that is 24. Then we are going to add 2 with this number. Then 24 plus 2, 26. Then the other digits in hundreds and thousands place remain same. 5, 6. So we will get the number 5626. In the same way, we will find the next number. Consider the last two digits and add 2 with this number. That is 26 plus 2, 28. Here 5 and 6. So 5628. Next, add 2 with this number 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So here 30 and in hundreds and thousands place 6, 5. Hundreds place 6 and thousands place 5. So we will get the number 5630. Now let's see one more example. This problem is given in your textbook, page number 81. We have to find the next two numbers using skip counting in twos. 1510, 1512, 1514. You have to find the next number. Consider the last two digits. Here is 14. Add 2 with this number. So 14 plus 2, 16. Here 1, 5. Okay. Then next number, add 2 with this number. 16 plus 2, 18. Other two digits are remain same. 1, 5. So we will get the numbers 1516 and 1518. Next, counting in fives. Here is a number 6240. We want to find the next two numbers. For that, consider the last two digits, that is 40. Then add 5 to this number. 40 plus 5, 45. Other two digits are remain same. So we will get 6245. Then we want to find the next number. Here 45, then add 5 with this number, that is 45 plus 5, 50. So other two digits remain same, 6250. Okay, then Here is a problem. This one is also given in your textbook, page number 81. Okay. Here is 1235, 1240, 1245. The last two digits are 35, that is 35, here 40 and here 45. 35 plus 5, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. In the same way, find the next number. That is, add 5 with this number 45. So we will get 45 plus 5, 50. So 1250. Next number, 50 plus 5, 55. That is 1255. Next, we will discuss counting in tens. Here, 1160, 1170, 1180. We have to find the next two numbers. In this case, consider the last three digits. Here, 160 and here 170, 180. Then what will be the next number? Add 10 with this number. So we will get 190. 190, and the digit in thousands place will remain same. So we will get 1190. Next, what will be the next number? Add 10 plus 190. 190. So we will get 200. 190 plus 10, 200. So the answer is 1200. Next, counting in hundreds. Here 2500, 2600, 2700. We have to find the next two numbers. Consider the last three digits because this is counting in hundreds. Here 600, here 700. Then how to find the next number? Add 100 with this 700. So we will get 800. That is 2800. Again add 100 with this 800. So 800 plus 100, 900. So we will get 2900. Finally, counting in thousands. Here 5000, 6000, 7000. We have to find the next two numbers. Listen. This is counting in thousand. So consider the thousands place only. Here 5 and here 6 and here 7. Add 1 with thousands place. Here 5 plus 1, 6. Then 6 plus 1, 7. Then we will get 7 plus 1, 8. And here is 8. Other three digits will remain same. So we will get 8000. Next, 8 plus 1, 9. Other three digits will remain same. So 9000. Let's see another example. 2600, 3600, 4600. Consider the thousands place, digits in thousands place. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and here 4 plus 1, 5. 5600. The digits in hundreds, tens and ones place will remain same. So 5600. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. 6000. Other three digits, 600. 6600. This is very simple. Children, I hope you understood this.